To scan QR codes on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is just go into your app drawer and find this application called Scanner. So let's find it right here. Let's go in there, and if you are using this application for the first time, you'll have to allow this application to use camera, to have camera access. And now, as this app is turned on, let's open the QR code real quick. We simply have to insert this QR code inside this frame. And I will do it out of the camera actually, because this application zooms in, so I have to put this phone really far out of this QR code. And hold on, let me just scan it real quick, and it will scan pretty quickly. Just as you can see, I just scanned this QR code and here is the result. So that's pretty simple. Just put the QR code inside this frame, which is in the scanner application, and you will have these results right here. So that's how you can do this.